COVID the Crow. The scavenger of life that inhabits foreign bodies. COVID the Crow. That flutters in your chest at night coughing. COVID the Crow that steals your identity with raucous joy. COVID the Crow invades your limbs. One by one, burning bright with pain. COVID the Crow that waits stealthily until you want to slip away. Drained of will, you are ready for the sacrifice. Gratefully, the Crow says we die, because we cannot live as two beings, let alone three. The Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost are too much. The Crow has split us asunder with ague and fear, so gradually our spirits wane as we succumb to the Crow's claw. This transient, ever-moving beggar of a beast feeds on our lifeblood. This iconoclastic, irreverent Crow ignores Christianity and dismisses all shibboleths. COVID the Crow lies without truth or understanding, having no history or trace. The king of carrier.